What is up, everybody? That car guy Eddie here, and today a special video. That's right, this is a throwback to how I used to vlog back in the days on my way to work. I'm sorry about my attire. I know this is not what you're traditionally used to seeing me in, but from time to time, some of us do have real jobs to go to. So, with that being said, I wanted to give you guys some really super exciting news for the KRX community, and more importantly, a good deal for all of my subscribers. So, once again, I really thank you, and if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm doing cool things. I'm getting you guys coupon codes. I'm getting you guys access to pre-orders on new products that are coming. You know, maybe something to keep your suspension from hanging. I'm doing all sorts of things for you guys. So definitely like and subscribe. Comment below what you're really looking for, because, like I said, I got some really cool vendors who are helping and trying to really help promote everything that's going on with the KRX. Anyways, so this is for everybody that is on the fence about a UTV tender spring. So what do you do when you have this, when you have the side-by-side that has the best suspension on the market? The best, right? Everybody can agree. Like, if you agree that the KRX is the best suspension on the market, and you want to make it better. How do you do that? How do you gain ride height from a sagging suspension? Well, the answer is pretty clear. You get some tender springs. The great news is I have partnered with All Things UTV. They are the makers of the Razor Aid tender spring kits that are very popular for the Polaris Razor, and they are the very first people to market tender springs only for the KRX 1000. Now, let me tell you some really great things about these tender springs. So first of all, they are made in the U.S. A check. They are made in custom colors to match your machine. A check. They are backed by 100% satisfaction guarantee. That's right, satisfaction. Not warranty, oh, my springs are sagging or anything like that. Satisfaction. If you put these things on and you don't like them, you don't love the way that they make your KRX feel, they will take them back for you. They are also backed by a full lifetime warranty, so that prevents anything from sagging. You put them on, you set them, you drive it, it sags one time, just like all the other high-end springs out there, and it gets taken care of. More importantly, these bad boys are in stock. Whoa! It's like a novel concept that things are in stock when you order, right? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a coupon code, so get something to write with. Got something to write with? I'm going to put it on the link anyways. Use Car Guy Eddie, CARGUYEDDIE, and you're going to get 15% off your order. This coupon code is only good till the end of the week, so definitely go ahead and get your orders out there, solidify your colors that you want. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel, and ride hard. Have a great day.